Welcome ICSE Class 10 students. This is competency series, question number 25. We have done another 24 questions before this. If you have not watched those questions, make sure to watch them because every question of the series is competency focused and extremely concept oriented. So should not miss any of the questions. The link of the playlist for the competency series is given in the description box of this video. So make sure to watch it after watching this video. So let us continue with question number 25, which is taken from Work, Energy and Power chapter. In which of the following cases will the work done be negative? So we have to identify the case where the work done is negative. So the work done is negative when the angle between the force and the displacement is 180 degrees. If this is the force and if this is the displacement. So you see the angle between force and displacement, which is the theta in the formula Fs cos theta. So if that theta is 180 degrees, the angle between force and displacement is 180 degrees, then we obtain a negative work. So let us see in which case the work done will be negative. First option says work done by muscular force in pulling a body. So when you pull a body, the force and the displacement are in the same direction. You are pulling a body. Suppose there is a box kept and you are pulling a body. So the body drags like this. So force and displacement are in the same direction. And maybe if you are even pulling the body in this manner, the force at some angle and displacement taking place in this way. So this theta is less than 90 degree. So work done is equal to Fs cos theta. So cos theta for any value less than 90 degree will always give you a positive work only. So even if the theta is 0 or theta is less than 90 degree, the work done is a positive work done. So this first case is a case of positive work done. Work done by frictional force on a rolling or a sliding body. Now you see over here, if a body is rolling or a sliding, let's say a ball is rolling. So it's rolling in this direction. But the friction will always oppose the motion. So the direction of friction will be always opposite to the direction of displacement. So here you see the arrows of the force and displacement are in opposite direction. So yes, this is definitely a case of negative work done. Let us see the another option as well. Work done by gravitational force on a luggage carried on head by a coolie walking on a horizontal platform. So let us consider that there is a coolie who is walking on a horizontal platform, and say in this case he is having a luggage on his head and he is walking on a horizontal platform. So the displacement is along the horizontal, but the gravitational force on the body is always acting vertically downwards. So the angle between force and displacement is 90 degrees. So when you are using W is equal to Fs cos theta, so in place of theta you need to put cos 90, and cos 90's value is 0. So that means the whole work done becomes 0. So option C is a case of 0 work done. Not positive, not negative. What about the last option? Work done by gravitational force on a freely falling body. So the body is falling freely, means displacement is downwards. And the gravitational force is also acting downwards for any body. So force and displacement are in the same direction. So this is a case of positive work done. So there is only one option where we are getting a negative work done, that is option B. And option B is the correct answer, is the correct option. So I hope you have understood. If you have enjoyed also in solving this question, and I would request you all so that you do not miss out any of the questions, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. So take care, and we will meet in the next video. And let me remind you, the link of the playlist for the competency series is given in the description box of this video. Do check it.